Before you book your next trip, listen to this. Today, I'm sharing 20 travel hacks most people don't know about. Hacks that save time, money, and stress. And in many cases, don't cost anything up front. These aren't the obvious packing tips. These are the cheat codes frequent travelers actually use. Free airport fast passes, ways to skip massive lines, and tools that can save you hundreds of dollars. If you're driving, cooking, or multitasking, don't worry, I'll explain everything clearly. And I'll put links to every tool I mention in the description. Let's get started. Hack number 20. Use a Clear free trial to skip TSA lines. Most people think Clear is expensive, and normally it is, but Clear often offers free trials, usually 1 to 3 months. During that time, you can skip the regular TSA line at participating US airports. Clear verifies your identity using biometrics, then escorts you to the front of the line. If you time this free trial around holiday travel, you can save a lot of time without paying anything up front. The website is clearum.com. I'll link it in the description. Hack number 19. Use the Mobile Passport Control app. This is a free app officially supported by US Customs. Before landing, you submit your passport and customs information on your phone. At many airports, you'll be directed to a much shorter line. This can save 30 minutes, sometimes more than an hour. Search for Mobile Passport Control in your app store. Hack number 18. Get TSA PreCheck for free using a credit card. TSA PreCheck normally costs about $78 for 5 years, but many US travel credit cards automatically reimburse that fee as a statement credit. Check your card's benefits. You may already have this. Hack number 17. One TSA PreCheck membership covers your kids. If one adult on the reservation has PreCheck, kids 17 and under can usually go through the PreCheck lane too. One membership, one line, less stress. Hack number 16. Call the airline while standing in line. If your flight is delayed or canceled, get in line at the service desk. But at the same time, call the airline. You'll often reach a phone agent before you reach the counter. Hack number 15. Use airline stopover programs. Some airlines let you stop in their home city for days without paying extra. Iceland Air, Turkish Airlines, and others. You're getting 2 trips for the price of 1. Hack number 14. Turkish Airlines free hotel stays. If you have a long layover in Istanbul, you may qualify for a free hotel. You do need to request it, but it's real. And it works. Hack number 13. Book refundable hotels and recheck prices. If the price drops, cancel. Rebook, same room, lower cost. Hack number 12. Use the 24-hour free cancellation rule. Most US flights can be canceled within 24 hours without penalty. Hack number 11. Ask for a fragile tag at baggage check. Fragile bags are often loaded last, which means they often come out first. Hack number 10. Don't pay for rental car insurance twice. Many credit cards already include coverage. Declining the counter insurance can save you $15 to $30 per day. Hack number 9. Use a debit card that refunds ATM fees. Some cards refund every ATM fee worldwide. That adds up fast. Hack number 8. Use rideshare membership free trials. Start the free trial before your trip, cancel after. Discounted rides, no commitment. Hack number 7. Join hotel loyalty programs before check-in. Free Wi-Fi, member rates, late checkout, all for free. Hack number 6. Use hotel status matches. Temporary elite perks, free breakfast, room upgrades. Hack number 5. Timeshare presentation deals, cheap stays, short presentation. Only do this if you're comfortable saying no. Hack number 4. Volunteer to get bumped. Oversold flights can pay hundreds of dollars for volunteers. Hack number 3. Hidden city ticketing. Sometimes flying past your destination is cheaper than flying to it. The website I use is skiplagged.com. Book the flight, get off at the layover. Skip the final leg, never check a bag. Only do this one way. And don't use your frequent flyer number. Hack number 2. Call international airline support numbers. They often have shorter wait times. Hack number 1. Your credit card benefits vault. Trip delay coverage, baggage delay coverage, rental insurance, lounge access. Read your benefits before you travel. If you only remember 5 hacks, remember these: Clear trials, mobile passport, stopovers, credit card insurance, and skip lagged. Travel doesn't have to be stressful or expensive. All the tools I mentioned are linked in the description. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Travel Time, and tell me where you're going next. I'll see you on the next journey.